Very good morning, students. In retailing today, we are going to see a very trending and latest topic which is related to omni-channel retailing. We all know that nowadays selling through only one channel, that is the physical stores, or selling only online is not enough. We should have a seamless integration between the offline and the online retailing scenario. That is what our topic of discussion today is going to be under RPM. So, retailers need solutions that allow them to sell products online at the same level of efficiency, system integration, and customer satisfaction as a physical stores. When you walk inside the stores, you're browsing around the shelves, asking for some details from the salesperson, and zeroing on a product and going to the billing counter and billing it and having instant gratification of that particular product that you have bought. But the same thing, the retailers want to have it in the online mode also. So they will, at the end of it, they want to synchronize both the domains, the e-commerce domain and the point of sales domain that is there in the physical retail stores. This will allow them to best integrate online and offline transactions, inventory, promotions across all in-person location and online stores during and after the pandemic. Pandemic has actually seen many of the retailers going on board as far as online retailing is concerned. But as the world is coming back to normalcy, we have got more physical retailing also happening. It's time to consolidate both online and offline retailing to have a seamless experience, offer a seamless experience to the customer. The retailers have to have a robust integration system. So the process of integration actually involves two major things. One thing, there are structured processes like delivery or click and collect options which have to be properly taken care of in the integration. And second one, semi-structured processes like complaint handling in the online retailing forum. So there are these two processes which have to be taken care of. So what are the benefits of integrated retail management system which seamlessly integrates all the processes of online and offline retailing? First time is real time visibility into all phases of your business. How much of your products are selling online, how much online, offline, you have a go at the numbers. Elimination of many IT maintenance and integration cost, heightened productivity as duplication of effort and conflicting responsibilities are eliminated. What is done in the offline mode, it can be seamlessly taken on board in the online mode also if your integrated management system is robust enough. Better communication among departments and more harmonized operations. Easy deployment of new applications and expansion of systems to new physical locations or channels. Greater ability to upsell and cross sell. You all are aware that when you're able to make a customer buy a product which is a better version of the previous version that he bought from your same retail store, you have been successful in upselling to him. Similarly, when you are able to make a customer buy related product in the product category that he has shopped with you already, you have been successful in cross selling to him. So if suppose a person who has bought a shirt from you, you are able to make them buy the other products like belts and scarves along with this one, you have been successful in cross selling to them. When you have a robust retail integrated management system, this becomes easier for you because you can prompt with a pop-up on the screen that these are the products that people generally buy when they buy a shirt. Like a salesperson offers the same advice to a person who is doing offline shopping. Thank you very much for hearing me out.